Hello. In this session, I will discuss a basic introduction to machine learning. The availability of data and multitude of data types are fueling the need to understand how to extract data, how to analyze the data, how to profile it. The possibility of utilizing inherent information in the data to support better decision making. The Web 2.0 democratized data and made it possible for almost everyone to generate data in today's world. Think about it. When you wave your hands, you generate data. When you smile, you generate data. When you blink your eyes, you generate data. Almost everything we do today, we generate data. As you drive along the road, you're generating data. When you use your fingertips to unlock your phone, you're generating data. So data is everywhere. We are washed with data. Think about the various health gadgets that monitor human health. I'm not talking about the ones in the hospitals. Think about the smartwatches that monitors your breathing when you sleep, that monitors your movements. All those activities are generating data. So the problem now is, how do you convert that data into information? How do you identify the patterns in the data? How do you use what happens today to predict what might happen tomorrow? Those are the areas that this machine learning course will introduce to you and get you to think and understand how those things work, how you can use machine learning to resolve real-world problems. My goal in this training is to provide a basic overview of machine learning. This overview is targeted at a broad audience, especially non-technical people. Many of the training courses I've seen out there are targeted at the technical community. But the relevance of machine learning in today's world is such that almost everyone, many of us are using machine learning without understanding that we're using machine learning. So it makes it imperative that as many people as possible should be taught to understand machine learning, and then so that they can be able to make their own suggestions, recommendations. Some of the problems in the technical communities are some concepts like machine learning reside within the technical community. But the truth is that the major users of those products, services are not technical people. My own recommendation is that non-technical people should be brought in to understand as much as they can. Because when they bring in their input, I believe the technical community can produce better results. Though machine learning has so many aspects that relate to mathematics, to computer science, to statistics, calculus, algebra, and other things, I will try my best to break it down so that non-technical people will understand it. Many of the algorithms in machine learning are used to uncover hidden knowledge within the troves of data that can be, that are available out there. But some of those machine learning can also be used out of the box. What that means is that you do not need to dive into complex and intricate mathematical details of the algorithms before you can use them to solve problems. This training will use Python. If you've not written any programming language, don't panic. I'll break it down. I'll make it easy for you to be able to jumpstart. You may not become a professional programmer, but you have the basic knowledge to jumpstart your project, and then work towards becoming proficient in any of the programming languages out there. Python will be used for this course. Python is open source. You don't have to pay for it. Python has massive army of developers working every day on it, providing solutions. There's so many case studies out there. There's so many trainings on Python. A lot of people will be very, very happy to give you support on Python. And then the most important aspect of it, there are libraries. Those libraries already have several concepts boxed into them. So you don't need to understand your calculus to use them. Some of the popular libraries you will come across will be NumPy, the SciPy, the Pandas, the Scikit-learn. There are many others, but these few ones you will get to use them. You know, and just so some of them are very straightforward. You don't need your mathematics to get to know them. You know, you focus on solving problems. The mathematical concept and object will be behind the scene, supporting you to achieve the objective of any project. Another good aspect of Python is that using the Jupyter Notebook, you can be able to reproduce your results. The science community loves reproducibility. They want to be able to follow your solutions, reproduce it, verify it, and probably use it to jumpstart a new study. So that's where reproducibility comes in. This training will provide a full tool for you to understand reproducibility and you use it.